Hi, I'm Traci and I want you to move your body for 15 minutes and 40 seconds to a strength, cardio, core stability workout featuring functional compound movements. Moving our body in this way allows for a shorter, effective workout. We will be working multiple muscles and joints, pumping up that cardio, getting that strength in, and stabilizing our core the entire time, because we will be moving our upper and lower body together with compound movements, multiple muscles. These workouts are customizable though. Take the upper body movements out and do a lower body workout. You decide on the weight to hold. It's up to you. Go at your level, or take the lower body movements out and make it an upper body workout. Whatever works for you. Modify the movements. Do the whole workout without weights. Go at your level. Listen to your body. Challenge yourself where you can, as long as you keep proper form. Beginners, I have that video for you, the basics of proper form. Watch that and get those basics down. I also don't include warm-ups or cool-downs in most of my workouts, but I recommend definitely a warm-up and a cool-down. I have a warm-up video and I have a cool-down video, and those are linked down below. Also, if you're new to my channel, please watch my intro videos 1 and 2 so you can understand more about these workouts in my channel. So yeah, that's it. All those videos are linked down below. 15 minutes, 40 seconds using free weights. I've got a medium to heavier set, whatever that looks like for you. That could be 8s. That could be 10s, that could be 12s, maybe even 5s, or nothing if you're learning proper form, if you're a beginner. And then a lighter medium set, could be 3s, 5s, 8s. I'll be going in between, and I'll let you know as I'm using them. But just use what you have and make it work for you. So you'll be on. We have 8 movements, 2 groups. First group, 4 movements. We'll do those twice in second group. 4 movements, twice. You'll be on for 40 seconds, off for 20, and during that rest time, I will explain the next movement. Rest longer if you need to. Pause the video and get some water, anytime. Very important. So here's your first move. I call this a straight leg lunge. The back leg's going to be straight. I'm going to start with my left leg in front, whatever side you want to work with. You can mirror me, or if you have a side that you prefer to start with. Okay, you're going to lunge it down. That back leg stays straight. We're going to work that front leg. Okay, and then we'll row it and come up, down, row it, up. Keep that back nice and flat, shoulders together, out of your ears, line that knee up, abs are tight, proper form. That's what it's all about. Okay, so start the clock. We're gonna go in 8 seconds here. Straight leg. And then the next move, we'll switch legs, but we'll do lateral for the upper back. Okay, lunge it, row it, up and squeeze. Always at the top of a lunge or squat, squeeze those glutes. Always activate those glutes. That's what it's all about. 3. I'm counting. Go at your pace. I'm pointing so you know to squeeze there. Keep that knee lined up. Squeeze that glute. Working the legs, the back, the arms, and of course the core, because we're using upper and lower body together. The core is always engaged, actually, when you're working multiple muscles. Okay. Even if you're not working the multiple muscles, if you're doing an isolated movement like a bicep curl, you can engage your core. You just have to tighten those muscles in your abs. It's a mind thing. Okay, other side. This time we're going up. Okay, lunge it down, up, into that upper back. Woo! See? Core stability. Balance work. Whoa! Woo! Up. I think the faster you go, the more balance you have. Up. Squeeze those shoulder blades together. Line that knee up. Woo! Squeeze it. Okay, next move. Gotta hurry. Okay, I'm gonna just go 5s. We're gonna do a squat touchdown, like this. Touch it down, raise it up. Bring it around. Lateral raise. Touch it down, raise it up. Bring it down and around, lateral raise. Touch it down, line those knees up. Up, down and lateral raise. Up, down, lateral raise. Swipe into the elbows. Up, down. Lateral raise, lots of shoulders, arms, chest, core always, legs of course. Touch it down, swing it up. Lateral raise, touch it down, swing it up, down, lateral raise. I think you got it. Okay, next move. Okay, I'm gonna go a little heavier. I'm gonna switch it to the 10s. This is just a sumo squat jump with the bicep curl. Take the jump out if you want to. Sumo, jump down. Jump. Jump, okay? Just lift your heels. Or just don't jump. Jump, bicep curl. Jump, bicep curl. That jump just ups that cardio more. Elbows in, just moving that forearm, or those forearms. Line those knees up. Don't let them fall in. 10 seconds. Woo! This is probably more like a hip movement right here. Hits when you're going at your all max. You are winded after a hip movement. You have to rest usually like a minute. Okay. Yeah, I'd put that in the hit category, for sure. And I only have 10 seconds to rest. Rest longer if you need to. Straight leg lunge. I'm gonna go with these 10s on this. Got that lunge in the front, straight leg in the back. Down, row it, up, down. I have more balance on this side, I think. I am left-handed, maybe that's why. Arms in. Shoulder blades back. Just squeeze it up. I do it dramatically like this because I'm squeezing my shoulder blades and lats all together, activating. Just be aware of the muscles you're working. Getting the arms in there too. One more. Up. Woo! You can feel it in that going down, that side coming up. Okay, upper back this time. Put your palms down. Other leg. Woo! Let's go. Row it. Up. Row it. Up, squeeze that back glute. In all my workouts, a hip glute band is always optional. You're just up in the ante with those glutes. It's double time work. I love them. I usually have that out and I remind you, or I'll use it. Okay. The squat, touchdown, swing ups. I'm gonna try the 8s. Okay. Let's add a leg raise. I'll show you. Ready? Hip abduction. Up, swing it up, down, leg raise. Optional. Swing it up, leg raise. Let's get some more hip work in there. Swing it up. If you're just doing upper body, woo, you're still getting a good workout. Or lower body, either way. So, I lost track of sides. So customizable. These workouts really are for every level. You make them as difficult or easy as you want. Oops. Forget that leg raise. I forgot finishing. Okay. And these are the sumo squat jumps. I'll leave the jump out with bicep curl. And then we move on. And we're gonna be in a plank position, you'll see. Ready? Jump it. Bicep curl. Jump. Bicep curl. Jump, you can change it to a hammer curl. How about that? Hammer, get a different angle of the biceps. different area. Keep those knees lined up. You're just moving your forearms. Upper arm stays put. Triceps or bicep. 10 seconds. That's it. Okay. Okay, I gotta go quick. You're gonna go out into a plank position. Actually, we're gonna do knee push-ups. Do regular push-ups if you want to. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're gonna go plank, elbow, knee to elbow. 3, 4. Okay, I'm sorry. That wasn't fast enough. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like mountain climbers. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't talk anymore. 1, 2, 4. Go at your level. Try not to tense your neck up with the push-ups. One, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Okay, next move. Okay, gotta go quick. Tricep. I'm gonna start with this side so you see what I'm doing. You're going to bring that leg in, out, in. Tricep kicks. Upper arm stays put. You're just moving that lower arm. Okay? Shoulder blades together. Go. Tighten those abs. Tighten those glutes. Wow, if you have a hip band on, whoa, that's gonna be challenging, but really good. Okay. Uh-oh. Stay there. Other side. Okay. Are you ready? Kick it out, just like that. Crunch it in, kick it out. Get the abs there too. Your elbow against your side, you're just moving your forearm. Upper arm stays put. Kick it in, out. Flex that foot and you kick it out. If it's too hard for you, just stop and just do the triceps or just do the kicks. Always modify where you need to. Just work up to things. You're moving your body, that's what really matters. Okay, next move. Okay, just gonna hold the 5s. You're gonna go to the side, up to a knee drive. Other side, knee drive. Other side, knee drive. Some legs and abs. I'm going off my mat. Knee drive. Switch sides, knee drive. Switch sides, knee drive. Switch sides. Woo! Drive it up. 10 seconds. Drive it up. Okay, knee push-ups or regular, whatever you choose. Don't tense your neck up. It's really easy to do that when you do push-ups. No good. Where I'm in life, I'm not a real big push-up fan. I like modifying, but they're good. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep doing the push-ups if you don't want to do the knee drives to the elbows. Back up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Mountain climbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe you're just doing the mountain climbers. Okay. Whew. Okay. Got those tricep knee kicks, knee kick outs, crunches. Opposite side. I like to do opposite side for balance. You can do it like this side, but then you end up leaning over. So opposite leg, opposite arm. Ready. Upper arm stays put. Flex that foot when you push it out. Crunch it in. Tighten those abs. I'm sweating. This cardio, we're working multiple muscles. You're burning tons of calories. You're boosting your metabolism with these workouts. Whoa. And you're working your core, as you just saw. My core just had to stabilize me from falling. Okay, other side. These are just quick, effective turn 2 workouts, and they are effective. I burn more calories in one of my workouts than I do on one of my runs, which are 3 miles. I just feel energized after these. I love my runs too, but I don't like to run as much. It's hard on my hips. It's hard on anyone's hips, actually. Okay, but I'm not knocking it. I love the outdoors. I like hiking outside and doing some runs here and there. Gotta just mix it up, get outside too. Kick it out. We got those lunges with the drives, knee drives. We're done. Come in more if you need to, 5 seconds. That's it. Okay. I'm gonna go 10. I'm gonna go a little heavier here. I really, really need this mat over here. Okay. There we go. Ready? Up. 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 Down. Out. Up. Wow, these are harder, obviously. Out, please be sure to jump on over to my cool down video, link down below after this. Quick cool down. One more. Thank you so much. Please, thumbs up would be great. And subscribe if you haven't. Hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new workout, 1 to 2 a week. And share with friends, family, on or off social media. Comment, comment, comment. I need comments. YouTube picks up that stuff. Help me with that algorithm. I'm swimming in a pool of fitness videos trying to be seen, and it's hard. So that would be great. Engage, engage. Thank you, and I look forward to having you join me in another one of my Move Your Body workouts. Take care.